Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to discuss about project proposal. The title of this project is Color Learning App for Montessori. Keywords are optical flow, Python, artificial intelligence, and these are the things that help us build this app. The domain of the project is computer vision. Name of our respective supervisor is Khurram Zahra. These are the group members. So now we move on to the problem. In problem statement, we write about problem we are facing and also we have to give it. So as per this proposal, it tells that color learning is very important for every child and some child face difficulties recognize a color. So our app helps them helps them to learn about it by just moving around. So in executive summary, we tells that the challenge we are facing and also we give the solution and how and it's going to perform and how it's going to done, and at last we give the uniqueness what thing you are making whatever. So in this we are telling that the children which does not recognize between the colors. So this app helps recognize the color by just camera on. And at the second paragraph, we tell that how the camera is processing and what are the technical things do, and at last it recognizes color. And at the end, we tell about our app unique. So in introduction, you have to write everything like whatever is going on this project. Like in this project, we are using color recognition, image processing, optical flow, and how the things are get done, and what are the things we are using, and what are the problems, and how a solution get done, and what are the algorithms we are using, and like we're using image processing in real time, what kind of language we are using to build this app or certain thing. So we have to mention all of this in product. So in competitors, we have to mention what similar apps uh, like our app is also based on color detection. These are the apps that also just detect color, but our app is for the learning purposes for the kids for Montessori, as per mentioned in the title. So the objective of this application is to recognize the color in real time by just moving on the camera. By just moving the camera, like you are moving camera and whatever the thing in front of you, you can recognize it. So that is very helpful for the children. Motivation. Which thing inspires you to build this app? So the thing inspires us, like the color blindness people. Also, similar apps are made for color blindness people or patients. We use this idea to for the learning purposes for the kids that face difficulties in learning colors name, recognize colors name. The features of project are these: identify color using the cameras of the device in real time mode, and providing the name of the colors and what are the color variants and what are the components we are using, and if something lags, and what happens, and what are the main focus our So we have to write down everything in the features of the and whatever. This is a very basic architectural design. Architectural design, it discuss about how it's going to done, and this is a very basic diagram. So implementation tools and technique. We use a software project management uh, methodology. Is incremental development that helps us work uh, piece by piece and requires like we can also calculate our progress by comparing some of the results and we can broken down a problem in a so we are using the tools are OpenCV and Flutter and the language Python and Dart and database. Project plan. The project plan is what activities are performed in a certain time or whatever the deadline of certain. So it's up to you. You can also use the Microsoft project build your project. So I use a project plan processes, which are the initiating, planning, and analysis and designing and so in this I mentioned what phases are include them in include in a certain part and what are their activities. So I mentioned the starting date and the ending date. So whatever the activities are performed, we just put them in the order. How we get things done. We have to mention. So this is from me.